decking season's kicked off here. It's kind of late spring Kansas City, and we get asked for deck quotes quite a bit. And so the interesting thing is, this is a nationwide statistic, not just Kansas City, but 8 out of 10 decks go back with pressure treated wood. Now, pressure treated wood is nowhere near as durable as composite decking. The difference is a lot of times about 40% more affordable. And so as a homeowner, I think we got to figure out as well, how long are you going to be there? Okay. Because about 20% of calls we get are from older homeowners who they looked at composite several years ago. They thought it was too expensive, but now their deck is so rotted, it's so bad, they didn't go out there. It's not even safe. But they don't want to spend $30, $40, $50,000 on the deck of their dreams when they might only be there 5 or 6 years. So a lot of times it comes down to how long are you going to be in your home? What are you trying to do? Okay, so again, overwhelmingly pressure treated decks are the most common, but it's mostly driven the price, but they require the most maintenance. So as a homeowner, you really have to sustain every single year. You have to know that the pressure treated wood that we provide you, 5, 6, 7 years from now, you might have a board that bows. There's nothing we can do, it's wood. And in Kansas City, it's so hot here, and there's so much humidity. If you don't restain every single year, you're gonna have those problems. And so a lot of times when it comes down to decking, it's really about how long you need to be in your home, how much sunlight does it get, how much moisture does it get, and then what are you trying to accomplish? But a pressure treated deck with composite metal railing, you're looking at a 30, 40-year solution. It's a little more money, but what I tell people is, if that product costs 30, 40 grand today, it's gonna cost $60,000, $70,000 in 15, 20 years. That same composite deck is $20,000 to $25,000, but it's gonna require 300 or 400 hours of maintenance in your time every single year for 10, 15 years. And the reality is 15, 20 years from now, you're probably gonna have to start replacing or refacing most of the deck boards, because wood today is just nowhere near as durable as wood 30, 40, 50 years ago. And so life cycle cost over 30, 40 years, you're gonna pay about the same price, but have a lot more hassle. But it really comes down to what's the price today and what's homeowner willing to pay versus what's the price long-term. But overwhelmingly, it makes way more sense to put composite decking and metal railing up. It's just a matter of cost for a lot of homeowners.